He was just about to step out onto the floor when he caught a sudden thin and piercing ray of red from under the drooping lid of Smaug's left eye. He was only pretending to sleep. He was watching the tunnel entrance. Hurriedly, Bilbo stepped back and blessed the luck of his ring. And then Smaug spoke.
Well, thief, I smell you, and I feel your air. I hear your breath. Come along, help yourself again. There is plenty to spare.
But Bilbo was not quite so unlearned in the dragon's lore as all that. And if Smaug hoped to get him to come nearer so easily, then he was disappointed. No, thank you, oh Smaug the tremendous. I did not come for presents. I only wished to have a look at you and see if you were truly as great as the tales say. I did not believe them.
Do you know?
Truly, the tales and songs fall utterly short of your enormity, O Smaug. They're stupendous.
Do you think flattery will keep you alive?